brief overview, they provide free legal advice for aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners, and they aid business assistance such as business planning, state and local licensing, and much, much more.
All right, a couple of the resources offered by the Law and Entrepreneurship Center is completely free legal advice, and they will help you form a legal entity such as an LLC. Also, this is available to anybody. You don't have to be a student, and you could be just starting a business, or you could be a small business already, and you don't even have to be from Wisconsin or like living in Wisconsin. Also, the clinic will determine if you are ready for legal advice. If you're not ready for legal advice, they're very helpful in sending you to where you need to go to get to the point where you need legal advice. Everybody we met with was very helpful in telling us that no matter what you need, they'll figure it out and they'll let you know where to go so you're not just stuck.
Alright, so here's some key individuals in Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic. We ended up interviewing everyone on this list except for Eric England. So we'll start at the top. The two co-directors are Ann Smith and Eric England. They were approached by WARP because they felt there was a need in the Madison community to help entrepreneurs with legal advice. The benefit of this is that it's a law school, the experience of working with the entrepreneurs, so they get experience with the legal matters, and entrepreneurs get free legal advice instead of paying significant fees. So an important thing to note is that you can't practice law if you're not an official lawyer. So there needs to be a professional lawyer who oversees every single student. However, the student's the one that's actually doing the advising. The lawyer's just overseeing. So one of the attorneys is Troy Vossler, and you probably at least know his company. He started Scottish, which is an apparel and now a beer company. And so he kind of sees it from both sides. He's an entrepreneur. He also has an MBA and a law degree, so he's a very impressive guy. And then a couple of law students that were there is Brian McCall and Francisco Riojas. And just a quick thing about Brian McCall is that he just finished a 75-page patent, which would have cost the person somewhere around $40,000, but instead they paid the filing fee, which is not sure that it's around $1,000.
All right, so when it comes to approaching the clinic, you're kind of working just like a law firm. So there's an intake process, there's an application that you have to go through. So they determine whether you're going to be fit or not. Also, one thing that Ann Smith, we quoted her, was we had more people wanting our service than we can provide. So one thing about the Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic is that if there's a lot of people kind of applying, trying to get legal advice, you'll have a little less time working with them. But if it's going slow like that week or that month, you're going to have a lot of time and you can ask a lot of questions. Something not to expect out of the Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic is purely tax advice. They don't do that, or any litigation or disputes that you're handling. They're more for like the formation of your business and helping you write patents. And they also do not do any international law.
Alright, so applying is really easy. You just go onto their website, which you'll find by searching on WISC, and then you type in your information, how they can contact you, and a little bit about your company. Then they'll contact you and set up an interview. You go in there. If they determine that you're ready, then they'll put you on that list, and then soon in the future you'll get signed as a student and an attorney.
All right, one of the success stories that came from the Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic is UConnect. Pretty sure you guys are all familiar with Badger Bites. UConnect is what created Badger Bites, and in 2010, UConnect actually won the Borough Business Competition. And recently they used the Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic to grow their company, because as we stated earlier, they help with business planning as well as growth of your company. So they have grown to Michigan State University, Milwaukee, and they're expanding to Twin Cities, and they're trying to start on the West Coast as well.
How it relates to our class, we talked about legal issues and patents, and they kind of like assist you along with that. Shopping around, they have different lawyers for different types of things. Like if you're looking for like certain types of fields that you're going into, like your business going into, they have lawyers to help you out in all different types of areas. We talked about the Mason Shepherd case. For instance, we were talking about if they needed a lawyer, what type of lawyer they needed. this is where you would go to figure that out, and they would assist you in all ways. And directed resources, even when you're finished with them, they are willing to lead you to the next plan. So you go to them, they help you out, and then they tell you what to do next.
Any questions?
How are the law students overseen? Like, does the attorney have to sit in on every consultation, or does it just like sign off
Then
on the student's work?
they don't have to sit in on every meeting, right? It's because mainly your main contact is the law student, not the actual attorney. So you're gonna be meeting with the law student at most times, and then, as you said, like, the attorney is the one who's just gonna sign off before you can take any of their advice, before they can actually like give you advice.
So how much time does it usually take for the application to actually see?
Well, actually, you can go, they have open office hours every day from 11 to 3, during the weekday, and you can actually talk to them, any day you want, but if you're applying to get a law student to be your contact, then, what was it, like a week or so?
For the,
For the-
for the interview, it's, yeah, within a week usually, but then it depends on the list and how long it is for the actual, student.
All right, I only had heard great things about the Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic. Seems like really a great experience as well, interacting with them. They provide great resources for free. And it's one example you guys already touched on is you start a company